I'm going to show you how to do this challenge that's ahead of you today. The challenge will be 30 in a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the shortcut. You're going to have to quickly identify the intervals in front of you. I've eliminated most of the interval choices you have. We have seconds, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, sevenths, and eighths. And if you remember from the second video you watched, we had the two groups. We had the perfect types of intervals and the major minor intervals. We're missing the first. That was in the perfect interval group. And then notice P4, the perfect fourth, perfect fifth, and perfect eighth or perfect octave. That's one interval group. And then the major second, major third, major sixth, major seventh. That's why they're labeled that way, because we split them into groups. So for this challenge, all you have to do is identify your interval. And if you remember from the first video, the shortcut is odd numbered intervals are both on either lines or spaces, and even number intervals are on opposites. So right here we have something that's a line and a space, so it's an even number interval. Are the notes right next to each other, kind of far apart, moderately apart, or really far apart? It's moderate, so it's my major sixth. Both on lines, therefore it is an odd numbered interval. In this case, are they the same, which would be the first? One away, two away, or three away? It's one away, so it's a major third. Here we go. Both spaces, it's odd. One away or two away or three away? It's two away, that's a fifth. Both lines, it's odd, that's a fifth. Right here, they are opposite. One's a line, one's a space. Is it next to each other? Close, moderate, or far? This is far, that's an octave, a perfect octave. Both spaces, odd numbered interval, that's a perfect fifth. Both lines with one missing tooth in between, basically, there's your perfect fifth. They're on different ones. One's on a line, one's on a space, therefore it's even. There's your perfect fourth. Both on spaces, it's an odd numbered interval. There's your major third. Both on spaces with two teeth missing in between. There's your major seventh. On different, one's on a line, one's on a space, and right next to each other, there's your second. Line, space, next to each other, second. Space, line, far apart, that's an even numbered interval. There's your eighth. Both on lines with a tooth missing, that's a fifth. Line, space, moderate, not really far apart, that's a sixth. Line, space with just a little bit of space in between, that's a fourth. Line, space with a lot of space in between, that's an even numbered interval, the octave, and so forth. You can take this as long as you want. The objective is to get 30 correct in a minute with 0 incorrect. So you must get them all correct. Good luck.